Santo Cristo, meu pai, aleluia, camarada, aleluia, meu irmão, santo irmão, aleluia, reza.
Ve y reza un Ave María y se sanarán todos tus pecados. Gracias, Padre.
¡Ave María, cuando seas mío!
You wanna be my boyfriend? Oh, running away, huh? Screw you then!
Hello from the other side.
Cuando por fin me pongo a dieta y alguien llega con un chingo de comida.
The birds are chirping. Hey now, good morning to you. The birds are chirping. Good morning to you. The birds.
Bitch, I can sing. Bitch, sing something. Bitch, you can't sing. Bitch, you right. Shit.
¿Qué voy a hacer para San Valentín? No vio nada, es una fecha súper comercial. Porque nadie me quiere.
Oh my God, look at that face.
If you're feeling suicidal, you've come to the right place.
Hello and welcome to Standing Up School. And you fail.
I'm gay.
Güey, se murió mi hermana. ¡Ah, la puta! No, pendejo, la otra.
Ray,
Yeah?
we need to go buy school supplies.
School?
Ah, you just mad because you only like 9 years old.
I'm 11, so shut the fuck up.
Do you know I will whoop your ass?
I don't know what you're doing with your little friends, but when you're living in my house, we have rules here.
Sorry, Mom, I'm not really fluent in...
Circus, Afro circus, Afro circus, Afro polka dot, Afro.
Really?
So love me like you do, love me like you do.
Agent Coyote, this is headquarters. Do you copy? Yes, sir, I do. And Agent Little Dick, do you copy?
Agent what?
Agent Little Dick.
He broke my heart. He doesn't want me, but finally I'll set my love free. Yes, I'll change myself so you can love me. I'm so sexy. You close your heart, no worries, I have the key. For you, I'd cross the seas. I will change myself so you can love me. I'm so sexy. You close your heart, for you I'd eat 11 bees. Now I'm ready to pursue your love. Monster! 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 Monster!
Hey Alex, check out my new haircut. It looks amazing.
Not right now, Derek!
Alex, check out my new shirt. It's very soft to the touch.
No, Derek.
Hey Alex, have I told you about my new haircut? It looks amazing.
Not right now, Derek!
Hey Alex, do you want to have a staring contest?
No, Derek. I'm a very busy man.
Fine. Hey, Alex.
Derek!